fifth tutorial on HTML. In this tutorial, we'll be going through on how to link a particular section of our web page. So in the previous one, we actually looked into on how to link to an external document or file. But in this particular section, we'll be looking on how to link to a particular section on our web page. So let's get into it, right? So I want to start with the h1 element. h1 element which has an opening and closing. All right. So right now I already typed it out so as not to waste so much time on typing. So right now we copy and paste it here. Table of contents. Okay. So after this, we want to have our table of content, which is a list. We should take in the UL. The UL element, which we also have the LI element nested in it. The LI element. So right now we nest it inside the UL. So I want to copy this and paste it. All right. So I want to create a table of contents for our web page. All right. So it is actually an ordered list. Okay. So what is a fruit? Okay. So this is what we will do. We'll copy and we'll paste it here. What is a fruit? All right. So for the second one, nutrients in fruits. Okay. Nutrients in fruits. All right. So after this, we want to go down and have the h2 elements. All right. The h2 element, which we will copy and paste with the closing tag. All right. So inside here, we want to give the definition of what is a fruit. Copy and paste it. The question mark. Then we'll have to have a p tag. Right. The p tag, and we'll have to copy and paste. Okay. So just below this we have our h3 element. The h3 element. Remember the h1 to h6 gives the order of importance. Okay. So depending on how you are placing them on your web page, it shows how important they are. So I want to copy these nutrient containing the fruits. Okay. So I want to copy it and paste it here, and then we'll have the p tag again. Alright, so we'll have to copy these and remember, what we are doing here is that we are trying to link to a particular page in our web page, all right, to a particular section in our web page. All right. So right now I want to add the dr tag. Okay. So just down here we have the dr. That's the line breaker tag. Okay. Let's have it double here. Okay, let's copy it, and we're trying to do this in order to give a proper spacing, so as you can see the importance of linking to a particular section in our web page. Okay, so we go and we go. All right, so down here we want to do the same thing. All right, so let us save. No, let us link it now, right? So before saving, let us link it. So we want to link this. Want to link this to the H2 element. So what we have to do is that we use the anchor tag, which is the anchor tag, and we use the href, and now we have to give it an ID, okay, like a name, a unique name. All right, and it goes with a hash, and let's say definition. And let's close it. Let's close the a tag. Okay, so now what we'll do is that we'll copy this. Remember, whatever you give to that place, that is the same thing we'll do here. All right, so rather than using the href attribute here, you just use name and take out the definition, the hash sign. Okay, so here you close the anchor tag. Now remember, using the anchor tag, you have to use the href attribute with a hash sign. This is just to give an identity that you are linking it to this particular part of the page. Okay, so now let's go ahead and link this. Okay, so you use so let's say href, and let's say nutri. Remember to put it in quotes. Let's use nutri. Let's use nutri, and let's just close it here. Oh, the hash sign. All right, so let's close it here. All right, then let's go down. Let's copy this, okay, and go down. All right, here it is. So let's paste and take out the hash symbol, then come over here and close the a tag. All right, I think we are set. Okay, so let us save it. Then let's go to our web page and see what it looks like. All right, so now you can see table of contents. There is a gap, and you cannot see the what is fruit. So right now, if I click on this fruit, what is fruit, you see it pops up. All right, botany. All right, so now if you still want to go, rather than scrolling all the way to this place and like to get the nutrient, so all you do is that you just click here, nutrient in fruits, and it takes you there. All right, what is fruits, nutrient in fruits? I think we have an error. Let me try and fix it. Okay, nutrient in fruits. Oh yeah, let's figure out the error. Okay, let's save and try and run it again. All right, let me refresh. All right, what is a fruit? As you can see, let's come back, nutrients in fruits. Wow, the same error is still there. Let me see. Okay. Oh, name. here name, Control S. Let's see what. All right, what is fruit working? Then okay. All right, you cannot see this properly because the line breaker is not I have to put in more so you can be able to see it like properly. So let's copy from here. Okay, so right now you should be able to see it. Let's refresh. Okay, cannot see because let me add some words to it, like let me add some random words there that you can that would make you see it actually. Okay, because at that part of the screen it's not like it's not showing. So let's say we take these and Control C. Okay, so let's save. Let us see. So nutrients, you can see it just takes you to that section. Okay, so the thing is that it takes you to a particular it takes you to a particular part of the page of your web page where that when you click it, it goes directly. Okay, sorry for the errors, like it happens, it's encoding, like at times it is known as debugging. All right, so like correcting your errors. So this is how it works. Okay, when you click it, it goes straight to what is fruits, and when you click this section, it goes straight to nutrients. It goes straight to nutrients in fruits. All right, so here comes the end of this section, and I hope to see you in the next one.